Are you a maize farmer? Have you planted your dry season maize? Did you know that we plant maize twice in a year? There is the one they plant early and there is the one they plant late. Which one did they plant early and which one did they plant late? Is there variety of the maize they plant early or the one they plant late? No, there is nothing like that. All I'm trying to make you understand is when the year starts, like when it's January, February, going to March, and rain starts falling heavily, people start planting maize. That is the one they plant early. It will get to some point that you are going to harvest the maize. After you harvest the maize, you sell, the maize will dry off, the stem will dry off, and everything will just go like that. They will still plant another set of maize. So that one is ahead of the dry season. So that is why I said they plant it twice in a year. So they plant maize twice in a year. In one of my videos, I showed you that maize reach up to 3 months before they get matured. So reaching 3 months, it may get up to 4 months before they totally get mature, like dry off, going to 5 before they dry up, before they sell. So after that, they will now plant another one. Look at the maize farm. If you haven't started yours, you will see that there is maize on it. We have a little maize that is growing. So I just want to let you know that it is not yet over. It is not yet late for you to plant the maize for the dry season. Maize for dry season are usually planted between August. So, and now it will now grow between August to the one of November. So it will grow and yield, bring out fruit between August to that November. So that is when you are going to harvest the maize. So we have a lot of land here and people plant it very heavily. So you can see it. It's a very massive maize farm. So it's not yet late for you. If you can do it within a very few weeks, you can still harvest the maize. But if your side is a northern side, I would advise you do it early before this time, because when it gets to some point, you are not going to see enough rain again. So with that, your maize are going to get spoiled. So I advise, if you are in north, you start planting your maize when it's something like July. Then you prepare ahead of the one of October, September. So if you haven't started yours, it is not yet late. This is actually someone's maize, and this maize is not up to 1 week that they planted this maize. And we still have another one that belongs to me personally. So this one that belongs to me is just up to 3 weeks now. So it's getting bushy, and we are going to weed it very soon. So you can see it's a very big farm down to that place, up there, everywhere. So, and there is another person that planted is there that has already matured. It's getting matured already. So the person planted it early. So it is not yet late if you haven't planted your dry season maize, especially if you are in Ibadan. So just try to plant it now. You can still get something out of it. That is just all I want you to know, that it is not yet late for you to plant your dry season maize. We plant, if you are not using waterlogged area, we plant maize twice in a week.